Hello everyone, my name is Tara Obarski. I'm the principal here at Parkside High School and CTE Center, and I'm very excited to promote our upcoming CTE Open House and SkillsUSA event on February the 4th at 8 a.m. It's an open house event too, so anyone is able to come in, see the great programs that we have offered here and the great talent of our student. Very excited to welcome you all. Hope to see you there.
And I'm Brian Ashby, Supervisor of Career and Technical Programs for Wicomico County Public Schools. I invite parents in. This is a phenomenal opportunity for parents and students to see the program offerings within our CTE Center here at Parkside. We'll have a number of contests, student demonstrations, and an opportunity to ask lots of questions so that your student can help prepare their path in CTE. We look forward to seeing you.